Okay, guys, finally got my external hard drive that I really needed. I got the 2 terabyte size. It comes in 1, 2, or 4 terabytes. Let's go ahead and open it and see what it looks like. Here we go. Like this. And this is what it looks like. It's actually smaller than what I thought it would be. It's a cool size. I didn't read the dimensions, and I honestly thought it was going to be about this big. I don't know why I didn't see any. So I really like this size. Let's see here. So this is it right here. All right, guys, check this out. This is what it is. Here we go. We have this wire connecting to the USB-C. And then the same connecting to a regular USB. And I'm going to connect it to my tablet through the USB-C connection, and you can see right away the light goes on. Then if you go to your settings, you'll find the USB storage one, for example, on my, and then it shows that it has 1.95 terabytes of storage that is free on here. So that's pretty cool. I'm sure I'll be able to upload a lot of stuff to store in here and or transfer a lot of things into this hard drive. It's about 4.5 by 3 inches dimensions of this external hard drive. Now you know what you get in the box when you order this external hard drive. Like I said, 1 terabyte, 2 terabytes, or 4 terabytes is going to be exactly the same dimensions. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and have yourself a great day. Thank you.